It's Brian back with the Vechain bet token update. I was kind of waiting to see some price movement come out of this market, and boy, we have just gone sideways here the past few days, which is not a bad thing. It actually looks like we're coiling up for some kind of move here. Now, I'm going to show you the RSIs here in a second and show you what could be coming. So we've been sitting back being patient for this thing. It looks like this is just an accumulation area right now at the moment, but this thing's coming to a head. So first of all, I have a article here to show you, and if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button. We would love to have you here. We're going to do that 180A giveaway next week, and all you have to do to enter is hit the subscribe button. And got a thing here. This just came out today, March 25th. Vechain price prediction will bet rally to reach 10 cents in 2023. Got some really good points in here that are pretty important, you know, as far as the prices and EMAs and stuff. But it says here, Vechain price prediction showcases the bet rally of 2023 that might lead bet to 10 cents. Bet is trying to sustain at the 20 EMA and reach the 50, 100, and 200 day moving average. Vechain prices need to acquire a strong uptrend momentum to break out from the distribution phase by mid-2023, says analysts. The bet crypto recovery rally is expected to begin as soon as it breaks through the resistance mark at 0.025 cents. In order for the Vechain price to further recover and reach 10 cents, bet must maintain at the primary resistance level of 0.0. I'm sure that was 0.0244 for the bet crypto to soar with powerful uptrend momentum. All right, we're going to get into that. If you want to read this whole article, I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but it says here if they expect it to reach the 10 cents here. It goes through a lot of stuff, distribution phase, all kinds of stuff through here. If you want to go read that, it's on, what is it, on thecoinrepublic.com. All right, let's get on with this. The crypto bubbles, here's your top 100. A lot more red out there today than green. Just a kind of a flat day there, having a little bit of a pullback. The crypto fear and greed indicator, market cap's flat, volume is down 22%, Bitcoin dominance is dropping almost 0.5%. The crypto fear and greed indicator is at a 64, we were at a 61 yesterday. Here's your biggest gainers and losers. Flare Network at the top there, Arbitrum's recovered, that was a airdrop they did, and that's why that was down 90%. Everybody, it was a big run to hit the sell button. You know, these free airdrops people get, a lot of times people will just drop them immediately and take the money and run. You know, I don't know which is the right thing to do personally, but I remember when Flare, they had their airdrop, I think before the airdrop the token was like at 30 cents and everybody ran to sell it. Good to see them bouncing back. So we see the most visited coins and your recently added. Yeah. All within the last day. Look at this. You know, a lot of this is just nothing personal, nothing against anybody, but not any in particular. A lot of junk comes out, you know, that you want to stay away from. You want to do research on a coin before investing your money in it. Know what you're putting your money in. Don't just throw money at the wall and expect to become a millionaire. Do some research. You know, there's some really good projects out there popping up, and there's a lot of junk coming up too. You know, I mean. Peppa Inu. I mean, come on. Some of the stuff is just a rip-off. It really is. But if you look at this, okay, we got this 4-hour RSI down at the bottom. I'm going to go through these RSIs and show you where they're at because they are super, super important. That 4 is almost down at the bottom flat. The 12 is on its way down, but it looks like it's curving up. I was just checking this thing out. Look at that. I mean, it looks like it's wanting to start to curve. The 8... Where's the 8? The 8 is on its way down also. So, you know, we could have some, the 4 is flat. Well, it's on its way down too. You know, so it's really hard to say. We could have some more consolidation in this. I'm expecting a move out of this market. As far as an RSI goes, as far as a pullback, you know, there's just not a whole lot of price action right now. Almost every token out there is just doing this coiling thing. We're right at the 618, you know, so that's beautiful. That's perfect. That's where you want to be. You know, we need Bitcoin to make a move here so the rest of the market can decide what's going to go on here. And I truly believe that, you know, we held this range through all this dump this last week. We have held support through here. So I see no reason for this thing to pop down further. I'm not saying it can't. It's not financial advice, but I'm going to keep an eye on it overnight, guys. And not a lot more to say about this. Just going sideways right now. It's hard to make a video. I just wanted to get out there and let you know I'm still keeping an eye on this thing. I'm just waiting for this thing to pop. Need them RSIs to reset. That 4 is almost down there. The 1 is, where's the 1 hour at? It's heading down too. So all the RSIs are heading down. So this thing could drop a little more, or it could range. It's hard to say. We have great support down here. We're forming that wedge, so it's going to be a breakout one way or the other. So we got something coming up. So thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. Please hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you here. Have a fantastic night.